Hello, my name is Jacob Hansen, and the material that I chose to do my project on is quartz. Quartz are extremely useful and can be used for a wide variety of applications and is one of the most useful naturally occurring substances. It also occurs naturally in many different regions of the world, making it abundant. Quartz not only has high heat resistance, but it also is resistant to physical and chemical stressors. For the structure and composition, quartz is made of both silicon and oxygen. The silicon and oxygen atoms bond in a tetrahedral formation. Quartz is part of the trigonal crystal system but has a hexagonal unit cell. Properties. Quartz occurs in nearly every color imaginable. Quartz usually has a vitreous luster. On Mohs scale of hardness, quartz ranks at a 7, which is relatively hard compared to a lot of other materials. The specific gravity of this material is 2.65 to 2.66. Processing. Quartz is formed, as we know, from silicon and oxygen, and it occurs naturally in the earth. Commonly, quartz is extracted using open pit mining methods, as shown below in the first two bottom left pictures. To separate from other materials found along with the quartz, the material is broken down and crushed into smaller pieces. Concentration of the quartz is done using methods such as froth flotation or other gravity-based methods. Attrition cells are used to scrub off any impurities that may appear on the surface of the quartz. Performance. Since quartz is relatively hard material, its abrasive properties can be used for sandblasting, grit for sanding, and much more. Quartz is heat resistant, making it great for foundations. It is commonly used in refractory bricks and as a flux in the smelting of metals. Quartz can be used as a high purity silica sand, can be made into a wide variety of glass objects. Quartz in crystal form has the ability to vibrate at very specific and precise frequencies, and this allows for quartz to be used in timekeeping instruments. Silicon semiconductors can be made out of quartz, which has many essential uses in the computer industry. Thanks for listening, and that was my presentation on quartz.